Losing your Toyota clicker can be frustrating, especially when dealer prices hit over $230 for the part and installation. But what if you could get a genuine Toyota OEM replacement for a fraction of that cost? This affordable clicker offers exactly that, authentic quality without the dealer markup. This OEM clicker weighs just 0.04 pounds and fits compactly at 3.94 by 0.98 by 2.36 inches. It's not an aftermarket knockoff, but a genuine Toyota part, ensuring the reliability and performance you expect from your vehicle's original equipment. One satisfied customer shared their experience. After being quoted $135 for the clicker plus $98 for installation at a dealer, they found this replacement on Amazon. Despite initial doubts, the clicker arrived quickly, just 2 business days, and worked perfectly right out of the box. The setup couldn't be simpler. The package includes clear, concise instructions that take about a minute to read. The programming process involves opening and closing the doors and inserting the key into the ignition a few times. It's straightforward and takes only a couple of minutes to complete. While the clicker is a used item, showing some minor scuffs from previous use, it doesn't affect functionality. For a tiny fraction of the dealer's price, this is a practical solution that delivers full performance without the hefty installation fee. If you're looking for a reliable, genuine Toyota clicker replacement without the dealer hassle or high cost, this product is worth a look. It combines authenticity, ease of use, and fast shipping to get you back on the road quickly and affordably. Try it when you're ready to replace your lost clicker and avoid unnecessary dealer fees. Genuine Toyota quality, simple programming, and quick delivery. This replacement clicker covers all the bases for a smart, budget-friendly fix.